Good morning, everyone. Look at where we spent the night. At a Walmart parking lot. I wonder if this gravel here is especially for campers. We have the highway right out of our door. And the beautiful Walmart sign right here. This Walmart in Hinton allows travelers to stay for the night, which is great. That's all we needed for last night. Now I'm heading to Safeway, which is right there, because I need to get some things for breakfast. They also have Dollarama, Walmart as we mentioned, and Safeway's right there. We have Marks too. We like buying winter socks from Marks. Very nice and soft. This place is inside a mall. I mean all the shops are inside the mall. Parks West Mall. Let me introduce ourselves. We are Steve and Az, and we travel full-time in our self-converted camper van. So come on with us.
Place item on scale. 5. Setting down.
Let's say that Safeway is not the cheapest supermarket. And there's Vanilda. Now I'm gonna have to take this all the way back because there are no other places to leave this trolley nearby. Or cart. How do you guys call it?
Actually, that's a good
It
thing to
off-roads
stand.
pretty well though.
Yeah, it's a good thing to stand the Starlink on.
Are we gonna put the Starlink outside?
Who knows? Let's see. Okay, Walmart. Goodbye for now. We are going to find a place to work. And as you can see here are the motorhomes.
Steven is outside saying farewell to Walmart and I'm inside packing up because we are gonna go somewhere else. This place is great to spend the day, but we don't want to put the Starlink out and the coverage for Rogers here is pretty bad and we need to work, so we need internet. We're going to another parking lot.
I didn't realize we'd be going on a dirt track. This is not what I expected. Where on earth is this?
So long story short, the place where Steven thought would take us to a nice park took us to the middle of nowhere with not much cell phone reception for mobile data. So we came to Fresh & Brothers. They actually welcome RV parkers overnight. I'm gonna get a few more items from the supermarket here because Safeways didn't have much. Also, I want to support this place. They welcome drivers, travelers. What a friendly lady working at the till. What people don't realize is that friendly people make a huge difference. Because sometimes, let's say we are having a bad day, and then we come across friendly people working at supermarkets. It makes such a difference, you know? So the last time I bought eggs from this supermarket, I ended up buying pickled eggs, and man, I really don't know why people eat those. Do you eat them? Why do you like them? Just tell us. Making some rooibos here. Thanks to my South African husband, he taught me to drink this wonderful red tea. The best way to drink it is with honey and milk. It's really good. So if you're not a coffee drinker or trying to get off coffee, this is a good replacement for you. Just look how red it is. So rooibos means red bush. Look how beautiful this is.
Nightfall comes so soon, falling from so far. Everything you hide away makes you what you are. Every star above shining down on.
Good morning, guys. We woke up at this lookout point. Beautiful. Look at these mountains behind me. But there is a problem. Look, this is one of the problems. We are still working on British Columbia time, and Alberta is 1 hour ahead. Maybe it was 6 a.m. here and 5 a.m. for us, so there were people driving already, and it was dark, and it was making a ton of noise on the road. Plus, the train. But just look at these mountains. Look at this. Kind of compensates for all the noise at night. We're gonna have some rain today. There are some dark clouds here, and those mountains right back there. Look how beautiful this is. He seems to be throwing those things down on purpose. Why is he doing this? He's throwing the little tiny things down on purpose. He's probably gonna catch them down once he goes down the tree. It's so funny. Look at him. I think his system is he throws those spiny things down to the ground, and once he goes down to the ground, he carries them maybe. Look at him. Look at him. So cute. So we are facing the Athabasca River. We're right here. And the Athabasca River goes into Brew Lake. So I guess we are just before the lake. Here's Jasper National Park, which we're not going to because of all the fires in Jasper. We stayed here hoping that they would allow travelers into Jasper, so we need to think of somewhere else to go. I think that squirrel is talking to me, or maybe I should have slept more. Our batteries are quite low, so I'm not gonna use the kettle for boiling water. I'm gonna use the stove, the camping stove. And it's a perfect time for this because it's not raining. I quite like this. It's a Coleman, how do you call it? We buy these little things. They are like spray bottles, but they only work with the stove. Unfortunately, it's just butane. It's not a dual stove. We wish it was a dual one because this is hard to find and it's expensive too. Yeah, I guess I need a smaller pot to boil water. We use an electric kettle every day, but when we're camping with low batteries like right now, I can't run the kettle. Maybe Walmart will have something small. I have been out of caffeine for a long time. It wasn't doing me well. It was messing up with my stomach and stuff. I switched from caffeine to decaffeinated coffee, but this is not like the decaffeinated coffee that is harmful to you. So basically the caffeine is sucked out of the beans using water. So for those of you who want to leave caffeine behind, but you don't find any good replacements for coffee, maybe that could be a solution for you. So where are you watching us from? We know that some people watch us from South Africa because of the vlogs we did in South Africa. We know some people watch us from Brazil, and we know some people watch us from the US and Canada as well because we're in Canada. Which city are you watching us from? Which state? One thing that I like about YouTube is interacting with people in the comments. That's not always possible. Sometimes people don't have the time to come and comment, but if you do, please leave a comment. We learn a lot from you. Sometimes when you say something wrong and you correct us, that's very helpful as well and helps other people. So the train is coming back. So here I was talking to y'all without realizing my face was cut out of the frame.
Sunlight morning, early breeze. Lovers daylight opening. Windows whispering our names. Inside this first light hideaway. Red September, silver dawn. Perfect photograph, quiet song. rest.
If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so you guys know when we put up new videos. We are also on Instagram. Thanks for watching, keep well, God bless, and bye bye!